Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the latest news about the DJI Mavic 4 Pro. If you're a drone enthusiast or just curious about new tech, this is the video for you. Let's start with an overview. The final image of the DJI Mavic 4 Pro has been leaked, giving us a sneak peek into the latest drone model from DJI. This image has generated a lot of excitement and speculation about the drone's features and capabilities. One of the standout features of this drone is its redesigned camera and LiDAR sensor. These enhancements will improve imaging and obstacle detection, making it easier to capture stunning visuals while avoiding obstacles. The LiDAR sensor will allow for more precise distance measurements and better obstacle avoidance, ensuring safer and smoother flights even in challenging environments. The Mavic 4 Pro also boasts an impressive flight time of approximately 47 minutes. This extended flight time allows you to capture more footage without needing to recharge frequently. For aerial photographers and videographers, this means more time to get the perfect shot without interruptions. Additionally, the drone comes with a massive 2 TB internal storage capacity. This means you'll have plenty of space to store high-resolution photos and videos. With this much storage, you can focus on capturing amazing content without worrying about running out of space. Recent FCC filings reveal that there are 2 distinct models of the Mavic 4 Pro, identified as L3A and L3B. These filings give us an early look at what to expect from the new models. It's possible that each model may have unique features or capabilities tailored to different user needs. Another exciting feature is the 6-directional obstacle sensing and avoidance capabilities. This advanced sensing system ensures that the drone can navigate safely and efficiently in various environments. Whether you're flying in tight spaces or over complex terrains, the Mavic 4 Pro's obstacle sensing system will help prevent collisions and accidents. Finally, the Mavic 4 Pro is rumored to be released in April 2025. This aligns with DJI's typical release schedule, which often sees new drones launched in the spring and fall. The anticipation for this release is high, and drone enthusiasts are eagerly awaiting more details. The final leaked image has further fueled interest and speculation, offering a glimpse into what might be DJI's most advanced drone yet. In summary, the DJI Mavic 4 Pro features a redesigned camera and LiDAR sensor, approximately 47 minutes of flight time, 2 TB internal storage, 2 distinct models revealed in FCC filings, and 6-directional obstacle sensing and avoidance capabilities. The rumored release date is April 2025. This drone promises to bring significant advancements in aerial technology, making it a must-have for both amateur and professional drone users. We'd love to hear your thoughts on this latest development. What features are you most excited about? How do you think the Mavic 4 Pro will compare to other drones on the market? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.